Hello everyone, welcome to another day of CUET 100 question test series. But for today, the question is the following. The domain, this is an assertion. The domain of real function f is defined by, you're given a function and the domain is given as real number minus 1. Reason padho. The reason says range of the function is defined by, you're given the function and the range is given to you as 0 to infinity, including 0. The first statement says both A and R are true, R is the correct explanation. A and R are true, R is incorrect explanation. A is true, R is false, A is false, R is true. ठीक है बेटा, क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं. तो पहले अगर हम assertion की बात करें तो assertion is false. Why बच्चे? Because the function given to you is x minus 1 under root. So when I will, so क्या है, क्या होता है हमारा domain? That anything that comes under root function should be positive. So or 0. So I want that x minus 1 should be greater than equal to 0. It cannot be a negative number. Negative nahi ho sakta. This implies x can be greater than equal to 1. So 1 is part of the domain. So this is false. Ye false ho gaya bache. Now let's look into the range. So I am given that my function is under root of x minus 1. So I will take this as y. So y is equal to x minus 1 under root. Square on both sides, beta. So y square will be x minus 1. So what will you get x as? X will be y square plus 1. X का value क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? You will get x as y square plus 1. You can put anything in y, isn't it? You can put any value in y, right? So the range of the function will be including 0, any value of y. अच्छा यहाँ से क्या कर सकते हो ना? There is another thing to understand it further. क्या कर सकते हैं बेटा? You can just go ahead and you can find the value of y from here. इससे यहाँ से y निकाल लो. So you were given that y is equal to root x minus 1. So you will get squaring both sides. Y square is equal to x minus 1. So x will be y square plus 1. Now beta, I know that this is my x. This is my function ka value f of x. X can be only greater than 1. X can only be numbers greater than 1. So x की values जो यहाँ पे आएंगी वो आएंगी 1 से लेके infinity तक कुछ भी. Anything more than 1. And when I talk about the numbers that will have a pre-image, कौन से numbers है जिनकी pre-image हो सकती है? क्या 0 की कोई pre-image exist करेगी? Yes. कैसे पता मुझे 0 की pre-image exist करेगी? क्योंकि when x will be 1, then y will be 0. Right? So 0 की pre-image हो गई 1. That when x is 1, y will be 0. So this 0 has a pre-image that exists. And from 0 to infinity, you take any number. It can be mapped back to some number. So this 0 to infinity will become the range. ये आपकी range बन जाएगी. Right, beta? So this is true. ये statement true है that the range of the function is 0 to infinity. But the domain of the function, ये excluding 0 नहीं है. The domain of the function can be any number greater than equal to 1. So domain क्या हो जाएगा बच्चे? The domain of the function will be 1 to infinity including 1. ये हो जाएगा domain of, right? So your assertion is true, but your assertion is false, but the reason is true. Okay, beta. Thank you.